we just got back up to the cabin after over a month. So just checking out everything, making sure everything's all right. I'm gonna get a lock put on this, maybe put the vent in. Other than that, I'm just gonna hang out, check on the place, make sure everything's all good. So nothing exciting, but stuff that's got to get done. Of course, I dropped one on the ground. Yeah. And I can't find it now. There it is. There we go. Hey. So there's a trim piece at the bottom. That was a pain in the butt. All right, I'm in the shower house. This building is gone. unattended for quite a while. So I haven't put it in the screen for this one either. So I'll put it up there, and yeah, that pretty much wraps up this building. Hey, leave that alone. No, that's not for puppies. Get out of here. So yeah, and then I can start cleaning this up and put it in the shower and all that stuff. So hold on, pup. I know it's cold out here. Alright, I did it last time from the outside and it seemed like it was not a good idea. So I'll try this time. Inside. Alright, I got it now, but because I didn't take into account the trim, I have to trim the edges off of this. So should be pretty straightforward. It's just a little triangle piece off the top. Alright, that should be it. Cool. Alright. Well, but there's not much I can do about it now. It's pretty close. Up. And this little guy fell off up there. So I just gotta see how much I gotta trim off. looks pretty good. All right, it's mid-December, December 11th or something. It's rare for us to not have snow here, so I'm gonna prepare a little bit to, when I come back here, there'll be snow. So I'll get a shovel, get the sled out so I can pull my stuff in. Alright, so this was just a quick trip up just to check on everything, make sure everything's good up here. I was only here for less than 24 hours. Split some wood, installed these vents. I know it's nothing exciting, but yeah, the winter time's a little rough up here, so maybe I'll start cleaning out that the smaller storage building and start planning out the shower house, so that stuff might be a little bit more interesting. But anyway, I appreciate everybody watching. It's tough to keep coming up with content, but as long as people enjoy it, I'll keep posting, I guess. So but yeah, this was originally just so my kids could watch this if I ended up croaking or something. So but yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, hopefully I'll be back up in a few weeks and have some more stuff to show. So thanks again. Take care, everybody.